Hey, Mike Iver here. It's been a while since I've made a video. Sorry about that. Everything's kind of broke right now, so started work as well, so it's kind of taking up a bit of time, but everything's kind of broke. Just waiting on some parts. I need some front diff gears for the Truggy. I got a broken steering arm on the Vitara in there. The F103 is in a bucket. She kind of just came apart, but got parts coming in on Monday for the Formula One and the Vitara, and just waiting on a few other parts here and there, as I said. A couple other projects on the go. I got a bunch of LED kits I'm gonna make. I'm just waiting on the Arduinos for that. Got all the LEDs and the wiring and everything, and so we kind of just set up a couple other things, laptop and a better camera in here for doing work in here. So gotta get that all finished setting up. Gonna do a video here pretty soon on Monday. I got some paint coming in for this. Got the, if anybody knows anything of the Formula One, we got some the old number 2 FW16 here from '94 in the sticker package. That's coming up here, the 25th anniversary actually, May 1st. Day Ayrton Senna crashed and died. But that'll be nice to get that F103 all hopped up and get the body painted up. And these are just printed out of the decal packages so I can lay them out on this. I started getting everything kind of lined up, and then I realized, oh yeah, there's body lines I gotta line up, like for the air dam and across the head thing and everything. So I figured I'd print them out in paper and stick them all together and work on getting them stuck on the outside so I can tape up the inside properly and get the lines perfect for it. I got the Rothmans blue coming in on Monday. I got to pick up some white and some black paint, but I got it all kind of marked out and everything where most stuff's gonna go. I was pretty close on my line guesses, but get that all done up. I got a wing and a front and rear wing coming in for that. Then they're a little bit more of a high downforce. This came with a wing as well. It's just your factory, pretty standard. It's my F103 front wing. Came with a helmet and a Lexan rear wing, but I got a white rear wing that matches this coming in that I'm going to use for the back for the authentic look. And I got some high downforce. I snagged that out, painted the body for the F1 car there. Messed up a little bit. Didn't quite let the purple dry enough to make it clouded over a little bit, but got it painted up. This one here, I got some plans for it. I gotta get a couple of nano servos to go in there and a plate to go with the helmet and a camera to go in the helmet for FPV and head tracking and stuff on it. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Be able to rip around with that full head track and be able to look around and stuff. That's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a sweet video. Haven't done any work on the drift fire truckies up there. The boat's out of commission right now too. I've been trying to work on the shaft. I'm just gonna get a dog bone to go on the end of the actual shaft on the boat to go to the brushless motor on that. So there's just a bunch of projects I got and coming up here. Just figured I'd make a quick little video and say why I haven't made a video, because everything's broken except for the Everest. So I gotta find some places to take it crawling. I got a couple places I want to go and take some videos with it. So, but anyways, yeah. So just a quick little update. We'll be working on some things. Oh, I got some new hard rubber tires for the Vitara, and I got some new drift tires on rims. I got some soft rubbers, some rims coming in for those. That's for doing speed tests with the Vitara. I got new rubbers and rims coming in from the Formula One car. I'm going to keep the foamies because I'm in the process of modifying another body here, that one that says Ebro on it. That's going to be closed in bottom pan car to go on the Formula One car or on the F103 to do speed runs. Get a brush set up for that eventually and do some crazy speed runs with that thing as well. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I think I'm gonna try to modify the Chevy body that I got here to fit on the Everest and make it look a little more like a scale truck. Try to get some brackets to extend where the suspension are and pull them back a little bit more upright and everything. So get it working a little bit more like a scale truck. It's a 1/8 size body. Put it on the 110 chassis. It actually doesn't look too bad, so just got to work on getting it rigged up. I'm gonna change a couple servos on that because I got some servos in, some 25 kg servos to go on that, but I'm working on getting that Chevy body on there, get it more of a scale look. It's kind of just set on there right now, but get that on there and turn that more into a scale truck. Cut the body a little bit to get the wheels to fit up in there, but be another thing. Get some lights hooked up on that. Make the Everest look a little cooler. Whole stack of bodies going on up here. I got a Nissan 350 body in there. I'm working on move the rear wheel wells and everything, but that's going to be the new drift body for the Vitara. So just been kind of just working on everything here and there when I have the time. Which be making a bunch of videos here soon. Anyway, so that's about it. I got some art here. It's but Jerome does paintings and stuff. Figured he'd paint one up for the channel. Mike Guyver. So yeah. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. We'll call it at that. If you new to the channel, check out some of the older videos and stuff. You know, subscribe if you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down on some videos. All right, have a good one. Take her easy.